ಇದೆಂದಿನ ಋಣ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿನ್ನದು ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನನ್ನದು ನಿನಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ನಾನಿಂದು ತನು ಮನ ಧನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಂದಿನ ಋಣ ತೀರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ಕರುಣೆ ನಾ ಮರೆಯದಾರೆ. Labor is thine, glorious fame is mine. Never did I serve you either physically or mentally or financially. This indebtedness is of which time? Now you are repaying it. I cannot forget this kindness. ಶುಚಿ ಅಶುಚಿ ದೇಹ ಅಶುಚಿಯಾದರೂ ಸದಾ ದೇಹಿ ಶುಚಿಯೇ ಮೋಹವಿಲ್ಲದ ಜೀವಗೆ ದೇಹ ಮಲದ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಬರದು ಸದಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಬಿಡದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಾಗರ ಮಾಧವ ಮೌನಿಯವನು ಮೌನಿಯವನು. Though the body is not clean, ಮೈಲಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೂ the soul is always clean, ಮಡಿಯೇ. The jiva, devoid of moha, will not be mindful of the body's uncleanliness. O Gnana Sagara Madhava, such person will not leave your dhyana. He is Muni. Soliloquy. The soul, Jiva Swarupa, will always be pure in its original state. When one is lost in meditation of the Supreme Lord, he will not be aware of the external things. That is why a meditating soul is said to be always muddy. ನರಜನುಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಮಾರ್ಥ ಹರಿಯ ಕರುಣೆ. ಹರವಿದೂರನಾಗಲು ನಾನು ಹರಿಯೇ ಹರಿಯ ನಿರುತ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲು ನಾನು ಹರಿಣ ರಥನೇ ಸ್ಮರರಹಿತನಾಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾರ ಹರನೇ ಹರಿಹರಿಣ ರಥ ಹರರ ಕಿಂಕರನುದರನು. Am I Lord Hari to be totally flawless? Am I Vayu to be always thinking of Hari? Am I Shiva to be without karma, without kama? I am only a human being, a servant of Lord Hari, Vayu and Shiva. ಹರನು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ಕೊಡಲೆನಗೆ ಹರಿಯ ಭಕ್ತಿ. ಗುರು ಪವನ ನೀಡಲೆನಗಿಷ್ಟು ಹರಿಯ ಅರಿವು. ಹರಿ ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರಿ ಭವ ಪಾಶ ಪರಿಹರಿಸಲಿ. ನರ ಜನುಮಕಿದು ಪರಮಾರ್ಥ ಹರಿಯ ಕರುಣೆ. ಹರ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ಕೊಡಲೆನಗೆ ಹರಿಯ ಭಕ್ತಿ. ಹರನು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿಕೊಡಲೆ ನಗೆ ಹರಿಯ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಹರಿಯ ಭಕ್ತಿ. Lord Shiva, be pleased to give me Hari Bhakti. Let Vayu be pleased to give me the knowledge of Hari. Let Lord Hari kindly destroy the bondage of Bhava, the chain of births and deaths. Soliloquy. After all, we are human beings. We cannot compare ourselves with gods, nor can we think that we are supreme, God Himself. We must realize what we are and with humility and devotion serve the gods to be blessed with what all is needed to shake off the shackles of life and to reach the goal of eternal bliss. ಕಲಿಯ ನಿವಾರಿಸಲು ಭೀಮನ ಮರಳಿ ಕಳಿಸು ಓ ಹರಿ. ಕಲಿಗೆ ಬಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹರಿಯೇ ಆ ಕಲಿಯ ತುಳಿದು ಬೆಳಗುವ ಸಮೀರನ ದೊರೆಯೇ ಕಲಿಮಲದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಳಲುವ ಸುಜನರ ಪೊರೆಯಲಿಲೆಗೆ ಮರಳಿ ಕಳಿಸು ಕಲಿ ಭೀಮನಾಲಸ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲದಾಂಗೆ ಮರಳಿ ಕಳಿಸು ಕಲಿ ಭೀಮನಾಲಸ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲದಾಂಗೆ. Lord Hari, who gave strength to Kali, Hari, the Lord of Vayu, commissioned once again Bhima to save the virtuous who are the victims of Kali's seductive influence. Soliloquy. Every dog has its day. The proverb goes, this is the age of Kali, and he enjoys success over the virtuous. The strength behind Kali is again the Supreme Lord Narayana and Vayu. They become catalysts to accelerate his march to eternal hell. Generally, virtuous people who struggle to adhere to pure dharma are abducted by Kali. They suffer in dilemma to do or not to do. The only powerful agent of the Lord to curb Kali is Vayu. Kali came in the form of Kalakuta poison. Vayu drank it and digested. Then Kali was born as Duryodhana and troubled the virtuous Dharma. Vayu became Bhima and crushed him to death. Today, we need once more the avatara of Bhima. ನಿಮೂಕನಾದರೆ ಗತಿಯೇನು? ಈ ಕಲಿಯ ಬಾಧೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೆಂದು ಶೋಕದಿಂ ನಾಕರ ಮುಗಿದು ಮೊರೆ ಇಡೇದಕ್ಕೂ ನೀ ಮೂಕನಾದರೆ ಗತಿಯೇನೋ? ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಈ ಕುಚೇಷ್ಟೆ, ಹೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಬಾ ಕಣಯ್ಯ, ಹೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಬಾ ಕಣಯ್ಯ. When I cry, folding hands in respect before you, to free me from the troubles of Kali, if you smile and become silent, what should be my fate? You're the ocean of kindness. Enough, enough of your mischief. It is already late. Please come. Soliloquy. On the 26/6/2006, after the puja, while keeping the Veera Rama idol inside the box, I prayed him to redeem me of this seductive Kali environment. I found the idol as though mischievously smiling. Is the Supreme Lord testing us? Do we at least deserve His test? I feel He's there. I feel He's very kind to us. I feel His existence. I feel, in spite of our weaknesses and shortcomings, He still has some kindness to us. He redeems us of all these bondages, though late. ನಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಹೋದೆನು, ಹೋಗಬಹುದು ಮೋಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೋದರೆಂದು ಈ ಗುರು ರಹಸ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೇಳ್ದವಾಗ ಮಗಳು ತ್ಯಾಗವೇ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಸಾಧನವಾಗಿರುವುದು. ಯೋಗಿ ಮಾಧವನ ಒಲುಮೆ ತ್ಯಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಯೋಗಿ ಮಾಧವನ ಒಲಿಮೆ ತ್ಯಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. If I, the ego, vanishes, one can attain moksha. This secret is exalted by the Vedas. Sacrifice is the path to moksha. Yogi Madhava loves Tyaga. Soliloquy. I'm 75. In my life, I have seen enough of ego and its nasty results. I know my smallness. I do not like anyone to look at me as a man 1 foot above the soil because my ashrama and the Pitha. Let me live like a small man and let me depart as a simple soul. That is my prayer to God.